Welcome to the Way of Pooh meditation. Yes, as in Winnie the Pooh. This meditation is an invitation to come home to stillness, simplicity, and the quiet joy of just being. Inspired by the book, The Tao of Pooh, this is a space to let go of overthinking, to release the urge to figure it all out, and to gently return to the ease of the present moment. So settle in, find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Let your hands rest. Close your eyes if that feels good. Take in a deep breath and exhale slowly. Just like Pooh, we'll keep things simple today. Just breathe and be. You don't need to solve anything right now. You don't need to do anything big. Just imagine for the next few minutes, you're walking slowly through the 100 Acre Wood. There's no rush, no plan, just trees, a soft path, gentle sunlight. Maybe you see Piglet humming nearby, or hear Eeyore muttering something in the distance. But none of it bothers you. You're just here, breathing, walking, enjoying the simplicity of the moment. That's the way, the Tao, being instead of doing. Take another slow breath in and exhale with a quiet smile. Pooh never forces things. He doesn't overthink or try too hard. He simply is. This is the art of effortless flow, also known as Wu Wei. Let's practice that now. With each breath, release the idea that you need to fix, push, or strive. Let go of the shoulds. Let go of the plans. Let go of the effort. Inhale, exhale, and simply be. What if peace wasn't something you earned, but something you remembered? Right now you are doing the most Taoist thing of all, sitting, breathing, being. Now imagine yourself sitting under a tree like Pooh might. Maybe there's a jar of honey beside you. Maybe there's a breeze in the leaves. Nothing big is happening, and yet it's perfect. This moment is enough. Let your mind rest in the simplicity. Feel the calm in your chest, the steadiness of your breath. The ease of doing nothing. Pooh didn't chase answers. He trusted that the best things in life often come when you're not looking for them. Can you trust that too? Take one more deep breath in and a long, soft exhale out. Feel your body supported. Feel your heart a little lighter. And when you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring movement back and gently open your eyes. Today you practice the way of Pooh. Simplicity, presence, peace. No rush, no force, just trust. And you can return here anytime to sit, breathe, and be.